In a lifetime, the average person consumes 8,000 eggs, half a ton of cheese, 6,000 loaves of bread.
Wait a second.
Where is the book? Right there. Good. Alright, I believe it's towards the end. It's coming up soon. Right here. How many lives have you taken to heal that wound? Do you remember how many slices of bread you've eaten in your lifetime?
Hello everyone! Today we are talking about bread. Not that bread that you can get by applying to a fast food restaurant. We're talking about wheat. We are talking about gluten. We are talking about how much bread Will Zeppeli ate in his lifetime. Alright, so let's not waste any time and get into the grains of this video. We know from that video by the BBC that one person's lifetime is equivalent to about 6,000 loaves of bread. Now, taking that the average loaf has about 22 slices, this gives us about 132,000 slices of bread in a person's lifetime. To find the most accurate number on how much bread Will Zeppeli ate in his lifetime, we are going to take the average lifespan of a person from Italy in 1995, which is the time that the documentary was made, and divide his age by that, so we get roughly the percentage that he is at in his age. So, according to Statista, the average age in Italy in 1995 is 77.47 years of age. Now, taking his age, 50, and dividing it by that, we get about 0.645 or 64.5% throughout his lifetime. Now, to find our final value of how much bread Will Zeppeli ate in his lifetime, we'd have to take either the 6,000 loaves of bread or the 132,000 slices of bread and multiply it by our percentage. So, according to my math, our final values are 3,872.5 loaves of bread or 85,194 slices of bread.
Hey baby! そんな不安定なところで戦う気か。
この腹の傷を癒せば、徐々につけられた負傷は全て完治する。
貴様、一体何人の命をその傷のために吸い取った？
お前は今まで食ったパンの枚数を覚えているのか？
3,872.5 loaves of bread or 85,194 slices of bread.